Here we go! Yes! My first one into Midland WR-100! What? Yeah, this is my first time that the Midland WR-100 has gone off.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern DeSoto County in northwest Mississippi, western Dade County in northwest Mississippi, east central Dinnigan County in northwest Mississippi until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm producing half-dollar size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Hernando and moving south at 20 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Hernando and San Antonio. This warning also includes areas near Horn Lake and Tropico Lake. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Stay tuned to this broadcast for the latest updates and information. To report severe weather only, call 1-800-432-0875. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: DeSoto, Dade, and Dinnigan.